Hi, jump with me into my client's home, just recently designed. It's an older home, 1910, and we've got the mid-century modern vibe going on. So right here, there used to be bookcases that face into the living room. Removed them, really accented these arches with paint, and then installed floating walnut shelves, giving a place, a landing spot, a place for decorative art, as well as a little bit of safety from falling through the arch. So love these chairs. Isn't this velvet fantastic? We're stepping down into the living room, and right away here, I repeated the color of the arches in the little window nooks on either side of the fireplace. Installed some lighting so that these are really private little spaces. And in this corner here, created an extended chaise corner, which is a fantastic place to sit. It's like the power spot because you really get to see the whole house from here. Clients love it. This was a big redo. I hope we get some before pictures, but we installed a solid stone here and then we profiled it out with an edge. Above, we added walnut paneling. So beautiful. What a difference. And it really plays to that mid-century modern vibe. In this seating area here, we've repurposed and refinished the coffee table, put a piece of glass on it to protect it, reupholstered an existing sofa, but the piece de resistance is this phenomenal chaise. It's so much fun. The chartreuse fabric, the shape of it, really sexy. We've repeated the feeling of the arches and the curves because mid-century modern design is very linear with the backs of with the backs on the backs of these two lounge chairs. We are going into the foyer, and we're going to talk a little bit about that. Back up for the steps. In the foyer, we've got spaces because my clients love art. We've got landing spots for art that we've talked about. So this one piece here was an existing mid-century modern cabinet piece that allows them to display their art and their sculptural pieces as they see fit. So that is fantastic. Over here, we had put out all the radiators, powder coated them. However, the one that was here had asbestos, etc. on it, so they got a new one. Look how sculptural this is, and it totally plays into their love of art in color. Of course, we got funny little pieces that they've added into their space from the art collection. And the one thing that I love in here, particularly, really makes this space is the ceiling light. So fun. Love it. Come on into this fabulous, moody, sexy family room, TV room. Wallpapered it. Fun, fun, fun. We've got repeating sculptural pieces. The wall sconces. Very interesting, clean, modern. And we've got a beautiful chandelier that is sculptural. Even the sofas have this sculptural feeling to it, and it's very fun because it's got the curves and we have a sort of a chaise feel. We powder coated the radiators and I reupholstered their ottoman that they had, which is a storage ottoman, in this ombre vegan leather. I love it. This wall right here, not only are we showing art, but this is fabulous. Turns into a living room. How great is that? I love it. I love the mood in here. I love the feel. This is one of my favorite rooms, as it is for my clients.